In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to get all of the Sims 4 DLCs completely for free. There is so many of them as well. I literally saved over $1,000, and I'm going to share with you guys how I did this because hopefully you guys can as well. It's actually a super easy method, and yeah, it took me about maybe 10 minutes in total. So I'm going to share with you guys how we can all get all of the Sims 4 DLC packs completely for free. Let's get into the video. To do this, we will be using a coupon code that will unlock all DLCs. First up, it's recommended you guys use a mobile device because it makes getting the code a bit easier. On your device, visit the website cryoflow.store. Once on the website, search Sims 4 on the search box. Click on the first result, and you should be redirected to the Sims 4 DLC's game code page. Scroll down and click on the Show Coupon button of your platform, and then the Unlock Code button. When generated, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining keys. The process takes a few minutes to complete. Take your time and follow the instructions. Once completed, the code is revealed and is ready to use. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy gaming!